This is Jabee. This is Jabee's Prius. Jabee wants more from his car's audio system. So with a little help from Johnny and Brandon at Oklahoma Customs, we're going to upgrade his sound with option 2.2 from our pre-configured system recommendations. In order to gain access to the stock speakers, Johnny starts off by disassembling all of the interior door panels. For better signal flow and reliability, DD Audio's Z-Wire is routed to all of the stock locations. After the new speaker wire is in place, Johnny installs the EC 6.5 component speaker set in the front doors and the EX 6.5 coaxial speaker set in the rear doors. All of the new speakers fit perfectly into the stock locations. Once all of the new speakers are installed, Johnny reassembles the door panels. While Johnny was taking care of the speaker installation, Brandon began preparing the signal integration and amplification pieces. This is the brand new DD Audio D6500 amplifier. This little guy is what will be making our new speakers and subwoofer play music louder and cleaner than what the stock system ever could. Next to that is what we'd like to call the SC6. All you need to know is this thing allows you to add all sorts of aftermarket audio products without buying a new car radio. The two smaller devices next to the amplifier are part of the EC 6.5 front speaker set and can be hidden away in a number of places. But for this install, we chose to go with a combination of presentation and functionality. Connecting all of these devices together is the Z-Wire RCA system. These cables are what deliver the music to our new audio system. So where is all of this stuff going to fit? For this install, we've chosen to mount it in the jack storage tray, under the rear cargo space. This way, Jabee can still use the space for stuff like groceries or extra recording gear. After Brandon finished up wiring all of the pieces, he teams up with Johnny to finalize assembly and give the system a quick tuning to ensure safe operation and the best possible sound quality. Last, but certainly not least, Johnny hooks up the LE M08 subwoofer enclosure. This is what will be providing the low-end reinforcement that nearly every stock audio system lacks. After a quick test listen and cleanup, Johnny and Brandon get ready for the customer demo.
So don't laugh at the song I choose, okay?
Don't hit me when you hear this and tell me your favorite song. Don't tell me how you knew it would be like this all along.
I picked that song because every time I play it, it go, I turn it up. It would just make that noise, like, because it wouldn't be. That's crazy.
Thanks to the quality and strength of DD Audio equipment, this upgrade will allow Jabee to listen to his current projects with more fidelity without sacrificing the car's original convenience features like Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, and GPS navigation. Upgrade your sound today at ddaudio.com/OEM.